Hey guys, welcome to Gadgetsplorer. Here is the next edition of the Tactical Pen series. We previously added Tactical Pen and Multi-Tool video. This next edition of Tactical Pens. A tactical pen can be a great addition to your everyday carry regarding self-defense. Not only can it be used as a writing instrument, but it can also be used as a self-defense tool in close quarters situations. Developed in collaboration with law enforcement professionals, this American-made pen is not your average writing implement. Sure, it takes notes in the rain, snow, or otherwise. But it also has a tough machined steel body and integrated glass breaker tip, just in case the day takes a turn. The impromptu tactical pen combines Gerber's decades of experience crafting tools with valuable input from police officers to offer a practical tool that could be your ticket to safety. This EDC BAM pen is an irreplaceable thing for each person and one of the most practical and interesting things. Our handle is perfect for any pocket, and its stability on the surface will amaze you. You no longer have to worry and fuss. The shape of bamboo perfectly combines with ergonomics. The elegant arc fits fingers and is easy to control. Each arc of the body and corner angle is calculated accurately and tested for measurement, bringing your writing to life. EDC BAM pen uses a bamboo butt design and refillable long-life German ballpens that can fully meet your daily use. The pen looks and feels so good in your hand. The bamboo pen engraver knife combination is a working piece of art. Everyone you know will want to borrow it. Once you have the RAK multi-tool pens, you'll never want to carry around regular pens again. It's an awesome tool for both the handy person and do-it-yourselfer. A great gift idea for family, friends, and co-workers. Multifunctional 2PC pen set has 8 combined features: super bright LED light, stylus top, standard and metric rulers, bubble leveler, bottle opener, flathead and Phillips screwdriver, and a ballpoint pen. 2 ink refills and heavy-duty aluminum metal body for endless tough projects, perfect for home improvement, construction, electrical, and DIY. Schrade takes pride in creating trustworthy knives that are perfect for all outdoor adventures. Whether you are hiking, camping, executing bushcraft, or any and other activities, Schrade is the strong performing companion you need. Quick and easy access with the convenient pocket clip and screw-off top, making it ideal for everyday carry. Have confidence that this tool will perform in an emergency situation with its defensive endpoint/glass break, whistle cap, and ferro rod with striker plate. Made of ultra-strong aircraft aluminum for self-defense. Patented thread design at the handle and thumb head allow a thumb grip, the optimal way to fully transfer your power to the target. Won't break. Won't rust. Lightweight ballpoint, weighs half as much as a regular tactical pen when it is detached as the ballpoint only, making it practical for daily use. This solves the balance issue too. Smear-proof ink quickly dries with a consistent ink flow. Also compatible with low-price standard refills. Made of ultra-strong aircraft aluminum for self-defense. Patented thread design at the handle and thumb head allow a thumb grip, the optimal way to fully transfer your power to the target. Won't break. Won't rust. Lightweight ballpoint, weighs half as much as a regular tactical pen when it is detached as the ballpoint only, making it practical for daily use. This solves the balance issue too. Smear-proof ink quickly dries with a consistent ink flow. Also compatible with low-price standard refills.